This is Thad with Survival Gardener, and I found a new cool camping tripod stove on Amazon, and I'm just putting it together here. It's made out of aluminum, super lightweight, weighs under a pound. It's 30 inches high when put together. And there were some concerns in other reviews about it being flimsy, so what I wanted to do is give a little test here with some plates. Got a hanger there to hang your pot. I suggest ordering one of those cool titanium pots or kettles off of Amazon. This is a small tripod, so you're not going to be able to put a huge fire around it. Based on the girth of the legs and the length, I would be concerned about the overall strength if these legs got too hot. So just keep your fire small. I tested out 5 pounds. It's obviously fine. Let's go ahead and put 10 pounds on, see how it does. It's fairly well built, just a simple screw together design. And then let's try 15 pounds. All right, that's over the max weight limit it shows on the ad on Amazon, but it's fine. I think you could probably put 20 on there and be fine. Overall, I'm happy with this. It's a good value, and it's great to throw in the back of the truck or in a backpack because it's super light and compact. Look forward to bringing it to the beach. I'm going to have to pick up one of these titanium pots off of Amazon. I've always wanted one, so this gives me an excuse. Comment below. I'll put the link in the description.